Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you lung cancer prediction project using Python. So let's explore it.
Either you can open terminal here from this, okay, or you can just write it here CMD and then enter. Okay, it will open the terminal. Okay, you can see here this is terminal, this is the same location. Okay, and then just enter Python space and then file name. This is a main file, so main dot py and enter. Just wait for a few seconds. Okay, the application is open. Okay, you just need to browse the email. So we are browsing and we'll just click and then click on the predict output. Okay, you can see here we got the output here as well and here as well.
This is the complete project. If you have any doubt then you can comment in the comment section. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.